and what exactly pointers can do is something that we'll try to understand. So from day one, I'm talking about this diagram, and this diagram you can see from day one. So you have two buses, that is your address bus.
Screen is not sharing.
Screen is not visible.
Yeah.
For others,
We can see, sir.
sorry.
Visible, sir.
We can see, sir. It is visible.
Bhaiya, can you disconnect and connect again?
Okay.
Okay, Bhaiya, is it visible now?
Yes, Sanjay.
Perfect. So we were talking about memory, and in this memory we have something called data bus. That is, data bus is something to do with where we can read the data. So this is data bus, and we have something called address bus. So these two bus we know. So now, depending upon the size of the address bus, the capacity of the memory is defined. So let's say you have only 3 address bus, that is A0, A1, A2. Then what is the maximum size of the memory that you can access is, you can access 2 power 3, that is your 8 memories that you can access. Agreed? So this much everyone knows. So 2 power 8, that is 8 memories. So now let us take an example of, I am having only let us come for this later. So let's say I am having only sorry, I'll open one more paint. So I am having only 3 address bus, 1, 2 and 3. So these are the only 3 address bus I have. And how many memory I'll have? I'll have 8 memories, 8 bytes of memories. So starting from 00, 01, 02, 03, so it goes till 07. So because we are starting from 00, it goes till 07. So that is 8 memories what we have. Now let's say I'll take character A. So what exactly has to happen? Somewhere in this 8 memory location, A has to be defined. So A will be given a place, and this is how many bytes? This is 1 byte. So now to know the address of A, let's say this is given as 00 location. To know the address of A, we do ampersand A. So that is to say, in your A0, A1 and A2, if at all if you give 000, then you can access your A. You can tell, you can access your A. And what is the address of A? Address of A is 000, and that is told by my ampersand A. So this is also something you guys all have already understood. So now let us take, this is more important, let us take integer B, and let's take integer as 2 bytes. So to access 2 bytes, let's say integer B is allocated in 2 and 3. So this is what is B. So to access this location, what is the value that I have to give here? I have to give here 1 0 1 0, that is 4 2 1. So I have to give 2. So 2 is 1 0 1. So if at all if I give 2, then it can access, now it will access not only 1 byte, it will access 2 bytes. Why? Because why it will access 2 bytes? Because integer is of 2 bytes. So now if at all if you say B is equal to 1000, of course it can keep this 1000 in 2 bytes, so it will keep 1000 here. So there is no problem. But what is the address of B? Address of B is actually 2. It is not 2 and 3. It is only 2. The starting address of the variable is what we tell the address. It is always the starting address, that is 2. 2 is the address of B. And what is the address of A? Address of A is 0. Address of B is 2. So to know the address of B, what we have to do? We can say ampersand B. So what it will give? It will give me something called 2 as a result. Ampersand A, address of A, it will give me 0 as a result, because this is allocated in 0th location and B is allocated in which location B is allocated in second location. So this is what we know. So now very interestingly, so can I make a statement all the addresses will be of same size? All the address. So let's say all the address, whatever address you give, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So how much bytes is required for this address? It depends on my address bus. If I have 3-bit address, all the address should have 3 bits. So basically you have A1, A2, A3. So all the address will have 3 bits, right? So similarly, if at all, if you have one more address A3, then all the addresses will be of 4 bits, because I have to give a combination here 0, 1, 0, 1, so that it can access some memory in the inside. So whether it is accessing an integer memory, whether it's accessing a character memory, doesn't matter. I still have to give this combination 0, 1, 0,